You won't believe it. Beer isn't just for parties anymore. It turns out that this is a beauty ingredient that has long been prescribed in the bathrooms of the stars. It's a real secret weapon in the beauty routines of some of the biggest celebs. And while most keep it on the down low, there are some of the celebs who've actually admitted it. Yep, I put beer on my skin, and I am not ashamed. Beer? On your hair? On your face? Wait, are you serious? Oh, hell yes. The trendiest celebs have been doing it for ages. And they look straight off a magazine cover. This unexpected powerhouse is loaded with skin-loving nutrients and backed by science. Today, we are dropping some insane insider recipes that aren't just celeb secrets. They're pro-approved game changers. So, why are celebs hopping on the beer beauty trend? 1. Antioxidant energy, xanthohumol, don't worry, you don't have to pronounce it, is 100 times stronger than vitamin E. Science says so. Shout out to Oregon State University. It fights wrinkles and UV damage like a skincare superhero. 2. Gentle peel, big deal. Lactic acid in beer gives you that I woke up like this glow by gently exfoliating dead skin. Plus, yeast enzymes work like a natural filter. Goodbye dullness, hello fresh face. 3. Buy Greasy T-Zone. Niacin, vitamin B3, is your oil control bestie. Yeast peptides help your skin chill out and keep the pH vibes balanced. Oily skin, not on Beer's watch. 4. Moisture, but make it deep. Polysaccharides, fancy word for moisture magnets, form a lightweight barrier to lock it all in. Silica strengthens the skin's barrier. Think hydrated and bouncy. 5. Redness? We don't know her. Phenolic compounds calm down the drama, aka inflammation. And hops acids? They fight acne bacteria like little skincare ninjas. Pro tips from your beauty. Bartender, go raw and real. Unfiltered, unpasteurized beer has max nutrients. Darker beer is better for your skin. There are more antioxidants. Pop it open and let it go flat for 1 to 2 hours. Nobody wants fizzy forehead. Use once or twice a week. No need to beer bomb your skin daily. Want to glow like a celeb but on a student budget? Beer might just be your new favorite beauty hack. Cheers to that. Let's go. Let's glow. 1. DIY face treatments. Scarlett Johansson, Sabrina Carpenter, and Bella Hadid use beer tonic to soothe irritation and doubles as a post-set detox skin. It also boosts that fresh, glowy vibe. Scarlett mixes up light beer and aloe vera juice. Swipe it across your face after a long day. Store in the fridge for that extra refreshing feel. Sabrina Carpenter takes light, unfiltered beer, rose water with ylang-ylang essential oil. Chill it, pour into a spray bottle, give your face a flirty little spritz before the date. Boyfriend? Nah, let's talk about that beer mist glow. Minimizes pores like a beauty filter. Smells like, I woke up like this. Sabrina approved. Bella Hadid prefer post-party face recovery. Partied all night? Beer's got your back, babe. Mix dark beer with cucumber juice and lavender oil. Soak a cotton pad, swipe across your tired face the morning after. Pretend last night never happened. The tonic depuffs your face like magic. Tames oily zones by Greasy T-Zone. Zendaya, Olivia Rodrigo, and Hailey Bieber like to make beer masks. Zendaya mixes dark, unfiltered beer, clay, green or white, and honey up. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Done. It reduces wrinkles by 27%, according to a study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. Olivia Rodrigo. Filters? Nah. We've got beer and yogurt, baby. She mixes beer with plain yogurt and turmeric. Slap that golden glow-up paste on clean face. Chill for 10 to 15 minutes. Cry to Olivia's songs if needed, then rinse it off. The mask fights breakouts like a teen rebel, evens out your skin tone like a magic IG filter. It leaves you looking fresh. The secret to Hailey Bieber's glow? Spoiler, it's not fairy dust, it's beer. Beer, glow for that glazed donut. Skin, she just mixed beer, yes, seriously, with hyaluronic serum or aloe gel and jojoba oil or whatever glow oil you've got. Apply as a sleeping mask, or just use it as your pre-makeup base if you want a stun. Deep hydration that screams roadworthy. Skin so dewy, people will ask what filter you're using. Bonus tip, ice cubes for acne. Mix beer and chamomile decoction. Freeze it. Wiping your face in the morning reduces inflammation. 2. Beer Hair Magic Beyonce Beer Volume Hair Mask. Before the stage, for mega shine and diva level bounce, perfect before a performance or a hot date. She mixes light beer, egg yolk, honey, and rosemary oil together. Apply to damp hair, leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. No need for a mic drop. Your hair will speak for itself. Anti-hair loss mask from Jennifer Lopez. Mixed beer, the good stuff, unfiltered. Burdock oil, your hair's new BFF. And mustard powder, yep, spicy roots, now fast growth. Up, apply to your scalp, and leave on for 30 minutes. Yes, it'll tingle a bit. That's the magic kicking in. It strengthens roots, wakes up sleepy follicles, and helps you grow up to 1.5 centimeters more of hair per month. Basically, your scalp goes from meh to wow. 3. Beer Body Glow. Catherine Zeta-Jones and Olivia Neal are totally into beer baths. And honestly, who can blame them? Catherine's Glow Radiance Bath. Fill up your tub with warm water, add dark beer, sea salt, and lavender essential oil in, and soak for 20 minutes. Bonus, lavender relaxes your nervous system too. It hydrates dry skin well and gives it that golden bronze glow. Think Zorro vibes, but in your own bathtub. Total spa moment. Olivia loves adding milk and honey to her beer bath because why not bathe like Cleopatra with a modern twist? Soak for 20 minutes. Leaves your skin softer than any spa treatment. Royal vibes guaranteed. Jennifer Lopez and her anti-cellulite beer body scrub. Mix brewer's yeast. You can get this at most health stores. Ground coffee and coconut oil. Apply in circular motions in the shower. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse. Bye-bye dry patches, hello glow. It firms and smooths the skin perfectly. Kylie Jenner's Insta-Ready Glow Body Scrub consists of brewer's yeast, brown sugar, and mango oil. Massage it onto your body in the shower for 5 minutes. The result? Skin so smooth, it looks like you're walking around with the Paris Filter IRL. Kate Middleton, Strengthening Nail Soak Rescue. Royal style, dissolve the sea salt in English ale and add some lemon juice. Soak your fingertips for 10 to 15 minutes. It's like tea time, but make it beauty. It brightens and strengthens nails before official appearances or Zoom meetings that feel like one. Dua Lipa's tip, Beer Body Glow, festival ready, mix and shake light beer, liquid shimmer, or drop style highlighter, and coconut oil up, and apply on your shoulders, collarbones, and legs before the party or festival. Glow effect like Dua at Coachella. As if your skin is lit from within. Bonus tip from Victoria Beckham's makeup artist. Beer brow lamination. Yes, really. Dissolve the gelatin powder in beer. Apply to your brows, brush into place, and leave for 10 minutes. Boom! DIY brow lift for under $1. So, beer isn't just for Friday nights anymore. Whether you're after that celebrity glow or just want to raid your fridge for beauty products, these hacks are fun, easy, and totally worth a shot. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more celeb beauty secrets that actually work.